My name is Jillian Highshaw. I am the founder and director of Family Agriculture Resource Management Services, abbreviated FARMS. FARMS is a regional nonprofit that provides legal and technical services to small farmers in the Southeast, focused on land retention and expanding their retail markets. And as a kid, I would help him in his backyard garden, and so I knew that there was a science when the tomato turned from green to red. So who in here owns land or is heir to a farm? 1, 2, 3.
Land of any sort?
Yes. Oh, good. So do you all have an estate plan for your land? I don't mean to sound morbid, but so it really is important to have a will, whether you own land or not. When you die without a will, the state takes over your distribution. So say you have 2 people that own a 100-acre tract of land and they pass away without a will, they have 10 kids, and then those 10 kids have kids, and then 5 generations later you have 500 people owning a 100-acre tract of land. And if one of the heirs sells to a third party, then that third party can force the sale of the remaining heirs in what's called a court partition sale. And so that's how we lose so much land on a daily basis. With a lot of farmers, they're land rich and cash poor, and so in order to basically transfer their assets out of their name, it's good to put it in a family trust, where if you put it in a family trust, you can give the parents a life estate option, and then the person, whether it's their sibling or their child that's farming the land, can be placed in their name, and then once they pass away, the family collectively can decide what to do with it. You can put a timestamp on a trust, so you can put it at 15 years, so the child can farm it for 15 years, and then the siblings can decide whether to sell it or not. Oftentimes they sell it and then they put the assets back into the trust. Donations. So we're always looking for donations. $20 donations can purchase a bushel of sweet potatoes, which is about 40 pounds, and that generates about 48 meals. We do have an annual produce drive. And if you die without a will, the heirs are sharing ownership. And so if one of the heirs decides to sell to someone outside of the family, that third party becomes part of the family. And they can force the sale of the remaining heirs, stating that, you know, this is burdensome on land ownership, and because of it, I just want to sell it. When the sale is forced, then it's a court sale on the courthouse steps.